God knows them see to this. Like what's his blood. And a time for me sit down and no reason waste the time for.
Me we dead fear. You know have 10 man I touch you one time like Shensea. No see. If you're this Sheng, you're a boss head. Yeah.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. We now waste no time, so guess what? Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you are not new, leave a like and leave a comment in the comment section. Make we get straight to it now. Skillibeng made a post on his Instagram cause you don't know how the artists them do it. Anytime they want to tease the fans with something, they make a post and have everybody talking. So Skillibeng posts a picture. And this is the picture we post. Clearly, you see it is Photoshop. And this picture, a picture we will see already. So somebody Photoshop it or probably Skillibeng Photoshop it and put his head right there. So now after me see it, my question was, brother, where your head do this? So as much as all we know say it is Photoshop and you already do a song and I say, yo, no bag of man now touch like Shensea, and a lot of people have it say, yo, it was a diss track aimed at Shensea, because really and truly it sounded like a diss. But after that, we see both of them in studios, we see both of them performing at the same show, looking all friendly. So we dash that through the door and say, no man, the artist them good. Now we are seeing Skillibeng posting Shensea posted it first, just a little synopsis of a song that is soon to be released, and we clearly see the song titled Brain. Skillibeng now repost that song, and after Skillibeng repost it, and me decide say me I go listen it to the fullest. Me find out say Skillibeng seems as if he's actually collaborating with Shensea on this track. Now it can just be a smoke screen where him just like the song and them just set it up so, and right when Skillibeng chip in, cause if you notice, right when Skillibeng chip in, that was when the preview cut off. So it can just be a case where Skillibeng remix it and I tease the fans and I tease the crowd to make them feel like say, yo, a collaboration between the two will be coming soon. And it can also be a case where there is indeed a collaboration between the two. We know how Skillibeng got to work. Once him touch a song, especially with a female, Ghana road. You understand what I say? So seeing a Shensea and Skillibeng collaboration would definitely be something great. Not just for dancehall, but also for the summer. We see everybody a ball and I say, yo, the girls them need summer song, this, that, a summer now. So cut out the bad man song and whatever the case may be. So right now, everybody interesting, everybody a look out for this collaboration between Shensea and Skillibeng. And as me say, me expect nothing but greatness. Same thing for entertainment. The entertainer named EleganceGad, we all know by now say he is no longer with us. Since the passing of Elegance, a bag of news are growing, a bag of people attack, whole heap of rumors out there in the public. Now, the official police report saying that him did come from a party, him and a female, and while approaching his car, he was approached by armed men who shot him. Him ended up dead on the spot. So the female is currently in hospital nursing gunshot wounds. Now, one of the police report, one of the earlier report that I saw, it was basically saying the death of this artist is linked or connected to illegal activities within the parishes, basically St. Elizabeth and Manchester. And that illegal activity, what them talk about, is scamming. Now, a lot of artists sing about chopping song, but that no mean say them a chop. A lot of artists don't sing about chopping song, but that no mean say them not chop. So it work both ways. Now, being the fact say he's from St. Elizabeth, living in Mandeville, we all know so them according to police and according to society, a lot of the chop of them, they migrate to them parishes there to just live a high life and keep a low profile at the same time. So that are the rumor we are growing. So yo, him involved in a chopping. We don't know how true it be. As I said, one report that one of the newspaper put out stated that, but outside of that, me not see nowhere else. It's just pure rumors. And people are go automatically brand him as them type there just because of the songs them when him sing. For example, Marksman sing be them song there, people brand him as that. Gold God sing most of them song the people brand him as that. You understand what I say? Even though it no mean say them actually doing that. You understand what I say? But it's just sad for know say yo, we lose Merciless what there as an entertainer, even though he died of natural causes. No, we lose another entertainer who died from violence. And if you really check the stats within the last, let's say 2 to 3 years, a ton load of entertainer died because of violence and not because of natural causes. Remember, Father God, the man just released him song. In fact, the song is a hit song. And like a day or the same day after I release him song, them take him out. And he wasn't the first, and it shows him not the last. The entertainment industry is plagued by violence. And that are the reason why the veteran Ninja Man, even though he never really take him own advice and he's currently serving a life sentence, that are one of the reason why Ninja Man always tell the entertainer them say, yo, you cannot mix music with badness, because at the end of the day, you have to choose one. You can't say you're a bad man and then you go there so go perform on stage where man can catch you. You have to choose one. So the artists them need to wise up, take heed based on what go on, and just know say what you know. We are gonna choose one and choose the best one, which I believe is the music. L.A. Lewis. Me see him move like a private investigator, which L.A. Lewis the real have him as a joker. Me personally like watch some of him video them because it will make you laugh. You understand what I say? From me a little boy till now me I hear about L.A. Lewis, and me finally grow up to actually see him on picture, see him on live and whatever the case may be. Now we all know what go on with the Donald situation, which and really my ball game that so me not about that touch it because it is a very sensitive case. So me stay away from it. Now L.A. Lewis, him look like him want play hero, being a private investigator, a go around and a interview people and a this and a that, which am I saying him cannot do it? No. Him have him right to do whatever him want to do. But him need to know say he is not the law and no hero is alive. May I watch a video with him this morning going him actually backtrack to the exact route where the truck man tell him say him drive. And you know say L.A. Lewis take up himself, drive up on the people them premises and the people them car wash with video. The man them have to run him off of the property. According to him, one of the man, cause me did a watch the live. Me never see that pan the live. Me only see when them a run him off and him run going in car try to leave as fast as possible. But according to him, one of the man pull a machine pan him and run him off of the compound. Him need to know better. Because him could have got it and the man them brush him. You can't just take up yourself. So like say yo, you're bigger than the law and you're this and you're that. And not everybody will just accept you. So, and me personally, if it is my business place and something like that apparently, or should I say allegedly, go on. Me no want you come video my business place and I put my business place out there in the public like that. Worse if me know say me not have nothing to do with where anybody else say. So me just feel like say L.A. Lewis him need to understand and do better. No hero is still living with us today. All of them dead and him need to know that. Ishawna, me see she a challenge Bounty Killer to a clash. We don't know what go on what at some fest when I got through it, but Bounty Killer in his response, him type out a whole thing calling Ishawna Dancehall, mattress and whatever the case may be. Plus him go at a club, Mecca, where him and Beenie Man perform together, and during his performance, him basically sing a song hitting back at Ishawna. Ishawna now did a live, and in the live she basically tell Bounty Killer say, me no want no 1 line or no 4 line. Go in the studio, do a diss track, aim that me, which is Ishawna, so that she can respond. And me I say, yo, we take Bounty for. Bounty Killer hour about 50 now. You feel like said Bounty Killer go take up himself, same a clash right now, especially with a female. You know, Ishawna don't have anything to lose. And this is not me bashing Ishawna or against Ishawna, but at the end of the day, even the time when Bounty Killer and Beenie Man a war and the Angel was in the middle, Bounty Killer, for most part, him keep the angel out of it. So why now in him old days when him put down them things that him clearly states say yo he's more mature now and him not pre them things there. Why you feel like say and now Bounty Killer I got take up himself and say him a clash, especially with a female. There is nothing Bounty Killer have to gain, and as me say, Ishawna, you say your head mad, and me know say the things then where I go say or do, only you get Bounty cross, miserable, and more angry. So me know say him not ever go pay you no mind. So me I tell you, just love it. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can share too because whenever you tell me to share, I notice a lot of you not share the video. And like the contents, so feel free to share it with someone, share it with a friend, and also you can browse the channel, and check out the rest of contents on my post. Now, I have like about 70 or 80 video, so you have more than enough to watch. So if you don't watch all of them yet, or if you don't watch majority of them yet, feel free, browse the channel, check out the ones that we don't watch and watch them. You can also leave a comment and you can also leave a like. Nothing is wrong with that. Anyway, have yourself a wonderful day. Bless up.
Check it me, baby, and tell me twice that you're the one for me, the way you're making me feel. You're really turning me on. You knock me off of my feet now, baby.